Please try this best ever broccoli spinach cutlet in air fryer. Take 1 cup grated broccoli, 1 full hand-chopped spinach, 100 grams grated paneer, a 1/4 cup processed cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves, few chopped green chillies, a 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, a 1/2 inch finely chopped ginger, salt to taste, 2 tablespoon gram flour. Mix well. Add 2 more tablespoon gram flour. Grease palm with olive oil. Make cutlet shape from small portion. Apply olive oil in preheated air fryer. Set for 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, apply olive oil. Keep on flipping after each 3 to 4 minutes. Once ready, take this out. Honestly, please try this once and I am sure you would love this. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.